Oh, dang. Yeah, don't crush the crabs.
Well, they can't just be taken over the beach and not expect to get stepped on.
So you don't want to get your flip-flops? What you doing? What's up, doggy? Hey, don't touch it, though. You can get, hey, we can sniff, but don't touch. Come on. Let's go, lady. You want to look at the doggy?
Dog.
Arf, arf.
There's a bunch of little houses over here.
Yeah.
Are we the last one? Till over there?
Keep going. Come on. That's you want to stand there.
Ooh. Ooh.
Oh, it's cold in the mug. And it's so clear.
I know.
I know, right? Splish splash. Just don't eat the rocks. Just trying to eat the rocks. And not for eat. Security.
Hospital! Hospital! Security! No!
Be careful how you put it on. You're going to break the whole thing.
Papa, slowly. Like a baby. Like a baby. Papa, can you pass me that? Where? We need like a...
It's the root to the tree.
Oh, sorry.
Pour that water. You.
Patrick, what are you doing? Are you digging up? Oh, what is it doing? Burying someone?
Oh, you about to make it. I don't know what you're making, but it's pretty deep.
Maybe he's making like a pool, but big. Oh, they're drinking it.
More water.
Right there. Oh, why is it white? Why is it white?
From the boat. Come on here, love. Three, two, one.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Don't touch it, don't touch it.
No. She gotta step off the chair.
What do you mean again, bro?
She's about to walk off the chair. That's it.
Most of them go like, oh, birthday over at the hospital. You started dancing and clapping baby right on time. First she was like, and she was like, oh, it's for me. Okay.